Marvell stock is attracting renewed attention from Wall Street after TD Cowen raised its price target to $180 from $90, signaling confidence in the company's long-term growth potential. This move comes amid a broader surge in the stock, which has risen over 100% in 3 months and nearly 115% year-to-date. Analysts are pointing to Marvell's expanding optical infrastructure business as a key driver of this momentum. The company's leadership forecasts a 50% growth rate in its optics segment over the next 2 years, a significant development given the increasing demand for high-speed data transmission in AI and cloud computing applications. The optical growth story is being reinforced by recent strategic moves. In a notable development, Marvell completed the acquisition of Polariton Technologies, a Swiss firm specializing in photonics. This acquisition is expected to enhance Marvell's optical interconnect capabilities, positioning it better in the competitive landscape of data center infrastructure. Analysts at RBC Capital and BofA Securities have also set their own price targets at $200, citing Marvell's AI networking infrastructure and optical technology as key strengths. These price targets suggest a shared belief that Marvell's current valuation may still be undervalued relative to its long-term potential. Despite the positive outlook, TD. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Cowen has maintained a hold rating on the stock. Analyst Joshua Buchalter emphasized that the recent stock surge may have already priced in a significant portion of future earnings optimism. Investors should be cautious ahead of Marvell's May 27 earnings report, as Buchalter suggests that the stock's performance may depend on how well the company delivers on these high expectations. The earnings report could provide clarity on the company's progress in its optical segment and its exposure to custom XPUs, a topic that has been generating investor debate. The broader context for Marvell's growth is the expanding data center market. TD Cowen has revised its long-term data center revenue projections to $1.3 trillion, reflecting the increasing demand for high-speed, low-latency infrastructure. Marvell's focus on optical interconnects aligns with this trend, as the technology is essential for handling the massive data flows required by AI and cloud computing. This positioning could give Marvell a competitive edge in the semiconductor industry, where optical solutions are becoming increasingly critical. However, the market remains uncertain about the extent of Marvell's exposure to custom XPU development. While this could be a significant growth driver, the lack of concrete details from the company has left some investors cautious. TD Cowen anticipates that the upcoming earnings report may not provide substantial new information on this front, which could limit the stock's upside potential in the short term. Investors should watch for any signals in the earnings call that could clarify Marvell's strategic direction in this area. The next key signal to watch is the May 27 earnings report and the subsequent analyst commentary. If Marvell meets or exceeds expectations, particularly in its optical segment, the stock could continue its upward trajectory. Conversely, if the report falls short of the high expectations already priced in, the stock may face. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Downward pressure. The market's reaction to the earnings report will likely determine whether Marvell stock can sustain its current momentum or if it may experience a correction. In summary, Marvell stock is in the spotlight due to a combination of analyst upgrades, strategic acquisitions, and strong performance in the optical infrastructure sector. The company's growth potential is being closely watched by Wall Street, with analysts like Buchalter offering a measured perspective on the stock's current valuation. As investors await the upcoming earnings report, the focus will be on whether Marvell can deliver on the optimism that has driven its recent surge.